The story of the GMC M211 begins in 1952, when the United States military sought to update its fleet of medium-duty trucks to meet post-war needs. At that time, engineers needed a vehicle that could transport cargo, fuel, equipment, and personnel across challenging terrain, from muddy trails to snow-covered roads. The GMC M211 was developed as a successor to the legendary CCKW series, combining proven design elements with new technologies, making it one of the most reliable trucks of its era. The truck was powered by a six-cylinder inline GMC 302 engine with a displacement of 302 cubic inches, approximately 4.95 liters, producing around 130 horsepower at 3,200 revolutions per minute. Its torque reached about 268 pound-feet, around 363 newton-meters, which allowed the vehicle to start smoothly on soft ground, tow heavy trailers, and climb steep inclines with ease. The transmission consisted of an automatic Hydra-Matic unit with 4 speeds and 2 ranges, paired with a transfer case that enabled both high-speed travel on roads and slow, controlled movement over rough terrain. Its 6-wheel drive system gave the M211 excellent traction in mud, snow, and uneven landscapes. The truck measured between 233 and 269 inches in length, approximately 5.92 to 6.83 meters, 82.5 to 96 inches in width, around 2.10 to 2.44 meters, and 102 to 130 inches in height, about 2.59 to 3.3 meters. Its empty weight was approximately 12,330 pounds, about 5,590 kilograms, and it could carry a full load up to 23,520 pounds, around 10,670 kilograms. Fuel capacity and efficiency allowed a range of up to 300 miles, roughly 480 kilometers, on a single tank, depending on terrain and payload. The truck ran on 6 tires sized 11.0 to 20, giving it stability and excellent ground clearance for all types of obstacles. The M211 was widely used by the United States Army, National Guard, and civil defense units. Its versatility allowed it to serve as a cargo carrier, fuel transport, or platform for specialized equipment. The Hydra-Matic transmission was a major innovation for its time, providing smoother operation and reducing driver fatigue, particularly during long convoys or difficult off-road conditions. The truck's durable frame, solid axles, and rugged suspension made it capable of handling extreme loads and harsh environments with reliability. Despite being less famous than some other military trucks of its generation, the GMC M211 earned a reputation for dependability and efficiency. Many vehicles remained in service for years after their initial deployment, and some examples survive today in private collections and museums, restored to working condition. The combination of proven engineering, adaptability, and simplicity made the M211 an important link in the evolution of American military logistics trucks, bridging the gap between older CCKW models and later M35 variants. The GMC M211 exemplifies a period in which military vehicles were built to last, capable of performing numerous tasks under challenging conditions, while remaining simple enough for rapid field maintenance. Its legacy lives on in historical archives, restored examples, and the memories of those who operated it. If you are interested in exploring more fascinating stories of historic military vehicles, remember to subscribe to the channel for regular updates, detailed histories, and rare insights from across the world of military transport.